Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming prerequisites. Log in and verify two-factor authentication is active because the playground requires authenticated sessions. Once logged in, make sure your role or plan includes image playground access. That permission unlocks the UI. Next, enable cookies and JavaScript in your browser so the interactive tools load properly and allow pop-ups for the site. Finally, check device permissions and network stability. These steps prevent early failures and let you begin the setup immediately. Once done, navigate to Settings and find the Image Playground toggle or feature flag, flip it on, and wait for the interface to initialize. Then configure key options. Choose the model, set output resolution such as 1024 x 768, and pick the format, PNG or JPG, because these affect quality and processing time. Next, set your input source by uploading a file, providing a URL, or selecting live capture. Make sure uploaded files meet the size and type limits, so to complete setup, run a quick test generation using default settings. This verifies the pipeline and surfaces any immediate issues. If the sample succeeds, export or save the output and record the parameters and timestamp so you can reproduce results later. If something goes wrong, first clear browser cache and restart the tab, then check the developer console for error messages. If errors persist, toggle the feature off, wait a few seconds, and re-enable it. That often resets backend connections and resolves stuck states.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.